Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my new video today. I'm really sorry that I've been a bit AWOL recently in regards to video, but my schedule has been super hectic. But I'm going to do a bit more of a funny game today. I'm going to be playing Slaughterhouse Escape. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Basically, you're this cute little pig and you've got to escape from being made into bacon. So I think I can get a high score of 100. So I'm not setting myself like a super ridiculous high score, but I'm not going to quit the game until I reach a high score of 100. And this game is really hard, by the way. So let's see how it goes. Look, there's the bacon. I don't want to be made into bacon. Are you ready? Push up to start. No, get away from the prongy things. Wait. Watch out for slippery. Right, go. Oh yeah, I'm on a roll, mate. No, the prongs! The prongs! The prongs! I didn't even see the prongs there. High score 18. Get out of town. Okay, so basically, if you didn't work out already, you've got to... So basically what you've got to do is you're this little pig, that's me, and you've got to avoid the prongs and the spikes, and you've got to avoid being made into bacon. I need to get to 100. Right, let's just go, fuck it. Go, make a run. I don't want to be made into a pork chop, but I don't want to slip on my own blood. Right, so these blood spots are slippery. Go. Yeah. We're doing good. We're doing better than we have done. No. I just jinxed myself. 29 and 8 deaths? Come on. I'm going to be here all day. Run. Don't slip on your own blood. Eat the apple. Fuck's sake, man. Right, there we go. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere now, guys. No, look, that's like a meat turner or something there. I've got to go back. Get the apple. Wait. Patience. Patience is key, which I find very... Oh no, I made it so far, you guys. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. And they changed... Fuck's sake, man. Right. Patience, Chloe. Patience. Shit. No, don't go over there, do you know what I mean? Patient one. No! It's a fucking bacon flying around. I keep saying patience, but then I keep fucking rushing through it. Do you guys think I'll ever get to 100? Please let me know. I might be here all night, actually. Go. This dumb pig. I'm gonna kill this fucking twat. I thought, yeah, let's play this. This looks fun. This looks cool. This looks simple. Alas, I was so wrong. Come on, guys. Wait, Paige. Where are these prongs coming from? Someone just wants to purposely kill me. I'm waiting, just waiting. Run! What are you just standing there on the spikes for? 30 deaths, man. I've got to do this and I'm 40 now. I'm about to have a midlife crisis. There's a pill. There's a pill over there. You fucking mug! Just because you wanted to get that pill. I've got a high score 86 though, guys. I'm nearly at the 100 mark. peaked way too soon. Come on, we're at 80. Come on, I just need to get to 100 and I can stop playing this annoying as fuck game. Come on, Chloe. Come on, Chloe. Don't get distracted by the yummy pill. We're at 98. Do not freeze on me, computer. I swear to God. I think I got to 100. I don't want to jinx myself though. Is that pigs can I'm flying, motherfucker!
I believe I can fly. I believe I can
I'm flying! I died. At least I hit my score of 100 and I was able to fly. How awesome is that? Well, that was my video, guys, of Slaughterhouse Escape. Thank you so much if you watched the video. I'm feeling extremely hungry now, so I'm going to go make a bacon sandwich. If you liked the video, please give me a like, cha-ching, and you can subscribe somewhere down below.